Are the higher interest rates really as scary as they sound? And how much money is that? There's an awful lot of disinformation and misinformation out there right now about rising interest rates and affordability of homes that you might want to purchase. Hi, I'm Sam Wilson with the Sam Wilson Home Selling Team, and I try and keep these videos to about a minute, but this one might be a little bit longer. A lot of numbers involved here, but ultimately, call, click, text, email me. Any one of us on my team will be happy to take you through this. But I'm going to give credit to Vince on my team here for thinking through this and helping buyers understand that while your interest rate might be a little higher, your payments might be a little higher, because prices are coming down, you're going to save money on the down payment. So we just laid out this example using the average Denver metro home price and the average 20% down payment for a conventional loan. And what we discovered, what Vince helped us see, is that you can see down here that the savings that you'll be able to keep in the bank that you don't have to put into the down payment will cover almost 15 months of that difference in higher payments because of the higher interest rates. Now, a lot of lenders will say things like, well, you can refi later and all that. I'm going to stay out of that discussion because I can't guarantee it. Frankly, neither can they. How do we know if interest rates are going to come down later? If they do, great. You can certainly refinance. And if it's within the 15 months, then sure, that's a bonus. And you've just basically subsidized your payment with savings from your own down payment. So we have to look at the whole picture here. We can't look at just one piece like interest rates or prices, and make a good decision, because ultimately, if you're currently renting, buying is a much smarter decision when you're talking about building wealth long term. And if you're paying rent right now, let's face it, that's 100% interest, and it's somebody else's property that you're paying toward. So it's still a good time to buy. There's more choices for buyers. Homes are taking longer to sell, which takes the pressure off of you. And when you think it through, you can get a good home and really financially smart. So if you'd like to find out more, it's always free. There's never any obligation. My name's Sam with the Sam Wilson Home Selling Team, and Vince and I and anybody on my team would love to talk with you about how this works and what it means to you and your pocket. And don't forget too that right now sellers will even give you concessions to make your rate even lower. So not only do you get to bank some money from a lower down payment, but we might even be able to subsidize your payments not only through your own down payment bank account, but through the seller's cooperation and concession during the purchase. I know that's a lot. There's a lot to unpack and unravel here, but myself, Vince, and Tammy, we are more than happy to sit down and chat with you about this on the phone, on a Zoom call, and certainly in person. Let's go look at some homes and then talk about it there. Thanks again. Have a great day.